Good morning, children. Children, we have completed, I have explained you this chapter 8 and you have completed this comprehension A1 I have given as a PDF, and I hope you all have completed this in your notebook. So today we will see the A2. Choose the most suitable answer for these questions. Okay. So let's start. Question number 1. Why are the words then and now written in capital letters? You have seen in the poem that the words then and now were written in capital. Okay, then why such? Because in between of the sentence we don't use capital. But in the poem you have seen that then and now are written in capital. Yes, because these words are adverb? No, this is not the reason. To show connection between the past and future? No. हमें पास्ट और फ्यूचर के बीच में कनेक्शन दिखाना होगा तो हम कैपिटल लेटर्स नहीं यूज करेंगे. यस, द आंसर इज दैट टू एम्फसाइज द वेरी लार्ज डिफरेंस बिटवीन द पीरियड्स ऑफ टाइम बीइंग डिस्कस्ड, बिकॉज हियर इन दिस पोएम there was very large difference between the period of time is being discussed. That's the reason. Question number 2. Why does the narrator refer to the galaxies being hurled and hurtled? In this poem, you have seen that poem is referring to the galaxy, that galaxies being hurled and hurtled, thrown away. Why? It show how the planets and other heavenly body move in the universe. क्या हमसे ये दिखाने के लिए ऐसा बोला गया है कि how does the planet and other heavenly body universe में move करता है? No, this is not the reason. It expresses his belief that the universe was created after a huge violent explosion. Yes, this is the reason. That universe was created after a huge explosion. That bang theory, Big Bang theory. Question number 3. The family tree mentioned in the third stanza refers to? आपने देखा होगा पोयम में फैमिली ट्री था, स्विंगिंग इन दी फैमिली ट्री. यस, तो वो फैमिली ट्री मैंने आपको अच्छे से समझाया था. वो क्या मीन करता है? द ट्री ऑन विच मंकी कुड बी स्विंगिंग? नो. द ट्री विच हैड द नेम ऑफ द ह्यूमंस रिटन ऑन इट. ऐसा कोई ट्री है जिसमें ह्यूमंस के नेम लिखे होंगे? नो, दिस इज नॉट द आंसर. द evolutionary steps that show how humans developed from monkeys and apes. Yes, this is the right answer. Question number 4. The brain of the humans described as a heavyweight, because here in, I think in stanza 3rd, there was a sentence na, heavyweight brain, where did you grow? Yeah, then why does the poetess use the word heavyweight? What does she mean? See the option. It is the seat of intelligence and humans are considered to be the most intelligent of all living creatures. Is this the answer? We should read the rest as well. It is very heavy to hold. Wrong. This could not be the answer. It is lighter than the brain of an ape. Wrong. So what will be the right answer? A. Yes, it is the seat of intelligence. I told you na that human brain is considered as a most intelligent of all living creatures. Question number 5. One of the riddle that puzzle the speaker is? Which was one of the riddles in stanza 4 that puzzles the speaker? Why dinosaur lived humans before? Sorry, before humans? No, ये तो 4th stanza में आया ही नहीं था डायनासोर की बात, वो तो 2nd stanza में थी. तो how humans got a heavyweight brain? No. Why water turns into ice in a low temperature? Yes, this is the right answer. Why water turns into ice in a low temperature? So student, we have completed this, and what you have to do, you have to do this in your notebook. Okay? Thank you.